In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pay by Phone app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tap on it to launch the store. This is where you can find and download a wide range of applications for your Android device. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll see a variety of apps, games, and categories displayed. It's important to ensure you are in the correct store, as this guarantees you are downloading from a trusted source. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Pay by Phone. The search bar is easily noticeable and usually marked with a magnifying glass icon. As you type, suggestions may appear below. This feature helps you find what you're looking for more quickly. Once you have entered Pay by Phone, take a moment to double-check your spelling. A small typo could lead to a different app. This step is crucial because it ensures you are searching for the correct application to download. Now, select the official Pay by Phone app on Google Play, published by Pay by Phone. This is typically the first result in your search. Look for the app icon, which usually includes a recognizable logo. Be cautious to avoid any similar-looking apps to ensure you download the official version. Selecting the right app is vital for functionality and security. You want to make sure your personal information stays safe and that you are getting the features you need. After selecting the app, you will see the app details page. Here, tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located right under the app description. Once you tap Install, the app will start downloading to your device. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. It's reassuring to know that this step will automatically update your app in the future, keeping your features current. Once the installation is complete, a notification will appear indicating that the Pay by Phone app is now available on your device. You may also see an Open button in the same area where the Install button was. This is an indication that the app has been successfully downloaded and installed. This gives you peace of mind knowing you can start using the app right away. In summary, we have covered how to open the Google Play Store, search for Pay by Phone, select the official app, and install it on your Android device. Each of these steps is simple yet essential for ensuring you get the right app safely. Remember, taking the time to follow these instructions carefully will save you from potential issues later on. Now you are ready to enjoy the benefits of the Pay by Phone app.